The world of finance is undergoing a colossal change, thanks to the revolutionary blockchain technology. This has presented an unparalleled opportunity to take regular dividends and diversify finances. ZedXe, a futuristic Industry 4.0 multinational corporation, is the forerunner of blockchain technology, introducing a world of finance like never before. Hybrid and automated DeFi staking, dividend, lending, and borrowing. An industry platform for the Industry 4.0 era, ZedXe was incorporated in Estonia and Georgia and provides custodian services by the world's top SEC USA-compliant BitGo. ZedXe team is one of the pioneers of the Industry 4.0 applications, with training, education, and proof-of-concept programs in the MENA, Middle East and North Africa region. We have onboarded distinguished speakers, hands-on trainers, and evangelists of blockchain technology and digital assets initiatives and conferences. Our Android and iOS-based ZedXe wallet app is a highly secure non-custodial D-app with built-in chat feature to send or receive funds while chatting without the need for a wallet address. DAO ZedXe is a smart contract and Ethereum blockchain-based P2P marketing program backed by decentralized finance. The Z Block is an unbiased and transparent DeFi Doing Education for Innovation YouTube channel by the ZedXeans family for Industry 4.0 applications, including technical analysis and industry news with the adoption of digital assets. Our post-ZedXe launch achievements are equally spectacular, with thousands of users and still counting. ZedXe ZFL has achieved a milestone of 29 channel partners, including consensus and other industry specialists. As of the 13th of August 2020, ZedXe offers 100% realistic, transparent, and a long-term roadmap-based centralized and decentralized blockchain, DeFi, and digital assets-based project. Trust us for no ROI or false commitments, but dividend and partnership with next generation of innovative Industry 4.0 apps multinational company. Be a part of ZedXe. It will be a fortune-changing decision to step into a new financial era. Let us grow together as ZedXeans family.